And seeing her like opening boxes is like one of the most triggering things. That worked.
Yeah.
Alright, it's your video.
Okay.
It's your time.
I don't know what to open first.
I don't know. You got several packages there.
Yep. I got 3 packages.
It's all her stuff. I'm
All
done.
from
I got all my stuff done. So the only thing I have is my burn prosthetic thing.
Yeah.
So this is all you, girl. You do what you want. Well, what's the thing that you're most looking forward to? That you're going to have? Sharp things away. High five.
Open the box first just so it's out of the way.
That box?
Yes.
You didn't answer my question though. What's the thing you're looking forward to the most?
For what?
Of this batch, because this is
Of
going to
this
be
batch.
2 of 3, because the swords are on the way.
Yeah. Well.
So we're going to do more time traveling at the end of this
Ears, but the ears will probably get here like around the time that the sword will be. So.
Yeah. So hopefully they'll be here like Tuesday, so we can give that to Joe at D&D, who's going to be LARPing with us on our first event. So I'm excited to have our little trio. So fun fact, I work at a warehouse, right? And seeing her like opening boxes is like one of the most triggering things that I don't think about until it's happening. Like, you're using scissors at these super dangerous angles that are just like, well, they can see it. They're right around the edge, like, I'm just trying to sit and have my hands held and not be in freak out mode. I will just hold the dog. Hi, doggo. Hi, doggo. Oh.
What was that sound?
What are you doing? You good?
Yeah. Maybe. Kind of sick, guys. It didn't really hit me till today. What?
Nothing. Please, just get this pain over with.
Sorry.
You got a whole other side that, okay. Okay. Alright, whoa! Alright, what you got? What you got?
Bubbles.
That's what Percy's looking forward to. Ooh.
Some setting powder for makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What brand did you get?
MEHRON. MEHRON makeup.
Again, not sponsored.
It's
Just our own personal buying
because
stuff.
I've heard their makeup is really good for these sorts of things, and FX makeup at theater. And Larp House actually talks about it in her makeup videos.
Cool.
How to get setting powder, and I can use this normally. Anyway.
Nice.
What?
You're just like, okay, get it off. Percy, you just can't just sit. You gotta be doing something. Alright,
Okay.
what's next? What's next?
Makeup wipes.
Makeup wipes.
Because I needed some.
Yep.
For makeup.
Mm-hmm.
And plus I got some on my face.
I can't really... Oh, and it's sitting this close, I can tell.
Yeah.
Like, there's little dark spots.
Yeah. You can especially see it on my neck, but...
Yeah. What's that? Walk us through it. Ooh,
It is MEHRON's white cream blend stick. So it's like white foundation. And I'm still waiting for the powder stuff that goes over this. That isn't just that.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Because you're going with a moon elf.
Yeah.
Ah, I love you.
And I love you.
Your corset.
My corset. My underbust corset.
I like that voice, whatever it was. I'm a fan.
You're a fan?
I'm a fan.
I don't know how to
you
do it
don't
again.
do voices often.
I don't, and then when I do,
and
I
you
can never do them
it
again.
once, and they're great, and then they're...
I can't do it anymore.
Now we have documented
That's true.
footage that I can go back to and be like, I like that voice. Ooh. Hey, it's brown.
It is brown.
It is brown.
That was the point.
I'm saying, unlike my bracers that are very much, they look pretty black rather than dark brown.
I was confused. I was like, why is this like that? Duh.
So it's not, so the thread isn't digging into your...
Well, yeah, that
abs.
too. And plus when it separates from each other.
Right on.
When it gets laced up. Yeah, when it gets laced up.
Cool. So you got all this stuff off of Amazon.
Yeah.
We'll put links in the
Description.
description below.
Yeah.
It's going to be a big description box. We have a lot of stuff in this video.
It's going to be a huge LARP haul.
Huge LARP haul.
Goes like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it. Right?
Mhm.
You be it this way?
That looks more
Yeah.
curved to
The chest area.
the chest area, yes.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool.
I have to fit this somehow.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're back.
Yes.
Percy is fine.
Ow.
Oh.
My
Good.
knee. It
Your
hurt.
knee.
You got stuck.
He's coming to you now. Okay, with the bag, can I at least make the cut for you?
What?
With the bag, can I at least make the cut?
I was just gonna rip it.
Okay, that's fine.
It's one of those you can rip open.
Okay.
Okay. The next thing is my dress. Okay, sorry.
She's not feeling so great.
But I still want to film something.
Yes.
So.
It's been sitting there in front of her all day, and she's been waiting until I got home from work.
I'm dying.
And here you go!
Oh, there's another bag.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, I like that color.
Yes. This color I was wanting.
Good.
Oh, from the pencil. What is this?
I don't want it to feel like I'm giving Miphalon a bad rap on the bracers. They're awesome. They're just very dark in comparison to the brown that they showed online. Unless maybe they mix it up and sent me black? I don't know. Either way, they're gorgeous and they're comfortable. Yeah. Anyway, back to you. I'm hogging the spotlight.
Nah, you're good. Okay, so I got this red long sleeve maxi dress off of Amazon. Because any other dresses that I found on like LARP websites, they just seemed highly expensive. And I tried to make my own dress, but it looks good, but it's like there's certain parts where it has to be tightened, and then plus the top part is a little too wide.
Maybe for future LARPs.
Like
maybe
that.
just not this one, like down the road.
Yeah.
Or Ren Fair, or
something like that. But
it's still really cool, and I'm really proud of you for making a dress.
yeah.
That's pretty awesome. And she pretty much finished the gambeson.
Yeah,
today.
all I gotta put is the clasp on it.
Yeah, the clasp, just to latch it so the part that comes across just sits there.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like blowing in the wind.
The wind.
We're dorks! Okay.
Okay, so anyways, I got this really long,
Ooh.
really stretchy, really comfy,
And it looks...
and it has pockets.
That's important. You know, you have like 5 pouches. Pockets are also... You can't have too many pockets.
Yeah.
Personal life theory. Or... Theory? Belief. System. There's a word out there I'm thinking of. Or not thinking of. There's some deep pockets for a dress. Dang.
They're average pockets for a dress.
You can fit your whole hand in there.
That's
I
the
don't know,
point.
there's certain things like vest pockets are like either fake or they're like super small.
Yeah.
So like the fact that
some jeans too.
yeah, some jeans are like you can get like this.
It's just, you know,
Nice.
long and pretty.
It's not.
Wrinkly because, you know, it's been in a bag all day, but that's fine.
Yeah. That's a cool color. I'm excited to see it all come together. I mean, you saw how giddy I was when I had all my stuff on. Yes.
Look at it.
Look at it, girl.
The dress. And then the corset. It's going to be on top of it.
Mm-hmm. So you just had the one more thing?
Yep.
The big thing.
One big thing.
One big thing.
But it's one thing.
Get it, girl.
Oh.
This is the one I was like, saw the picture and I was like, yo, those are nice.
Yeah.
Big box, big box.
What's coming off? So, yeah.
Also Amazon, I believe.
Yes,
Yes.
also.
This
Also
whole batch was
Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've heard like Amazon is just a good place to get like starter stuff. Like it has a lot of things that aren't necessarily LARP based, but work for LARP. Like these boots.
Yeah, same with the dress.
They're boots that I realized that it hadn't said like what's in the box. Those boots. Yes. All right, let's see.
That did it. Look, it's like.
Ooh,
Okay.
those are some boots.
Some
Those are
boots.
some boots. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look how long those boots are.
They're supposed to go over my knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are really cool.
Some protection from bruises and swords and
I was thinking that
mosquito bites.
we might want to get like those like insole like gel things.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I've heard that's a recommendation. Like, hey,
Yeah.
if you're wearing like boots you don't wear often, go get those if you're walking around in these for 2 or 3 days.
Yes. And these don't look like they're going to be a problem to fit me. They look perfectly like they'll fit me fine.
Yeah.
And even have room to lace it up. Because some of the reviews online said that they were like, the calves were too small. Calves?
Calves. You say cows?
Yes.
Them cows are too small.
Moo.
No, they're small. Jokes. I'm a dork. No. So can you actually like lace these up, or is it the back? Because they actually do lace it.
Yup.
Cool. Actual use, like, cool. You can actually use them.
Yeah.
They're not just the aesthetic, which is a cool aesthetic.
Yes.
These
Some
boots.
long laces.
Yeah, they are.
And this is like a fox suede? Faux suede?
I've heard as, like, is the faux, with the fur stuff, like,
Yeah.
is it FAUX?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard it's faux.
Well, that's what it is.
Or fox. It's
Faux suede.
gift,
And
GIF.
dark brown.
That looks cool.
So these are combat boots. But they're like thigh high or over the knee or...
Which I like those because you can use that for just normal, like,
No
hey, you want to
heel.
have a date night kind of thing, put those on. Like you can use them in everyday stuff, and also
Yeah.
other LARPs. Like if we wanted to do like a dystopia kind of thing, these would be cool too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because other LARPs are something that I haven't really looked at except for Castle, because Castle is
Closest.
closest and just from the community. Like we've been on the Facebook page since like September, and like they've been awesome and super like welcoming. And
I think it's been before September. It's been like August.
is it really? Okay. I remember the
Yeah.
first event that you went to was September. The other booth. Let me see if I can get some lighting on it and see the people.
Yeah.
There we go.
They're nice. And they don't have a heel to them, because other websites I was going to trying to find boots, they all had like a weird like heel to them. These are like normal combat boots, which is what I was looking for.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nice. Very cool.
Yes. I think
So
that's it.
are you happy with your first unboxing of stuff?
Yeah.
So,
So,
shall we hop to the future?
yes.
Okay. Go ahead and count us down again.
3, 2, 1.